What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, guys, we're going to talk about Tomb Finance. Yes, guys, I've been getting this request a lot. I've been in Tomb Finance for a bit of time now. It is one of our Discord favorites. But if you guys remember, I made a video back in July about this. A lot of people are like, hey, talk about Tomb. I did. Check it out. Take a look. You can learn more about Tomb Finance and how it works. The video is a little bit dated because there is no longer a gravekeeper. So you can kind of forget about that. You don't even need to worry about that anymore. But Tomb Finance is literally a printer go burr. So the story of Tomb Finance for me is I've actually been in it twice. The first time was before the exploit. After the exploit happened, yes, I did pull the funds back out. And then when Harry Ye was getting back into it, that's actually kudos to not Phantom Alerts. I feel like I'm on Twitter. I hate Twitter, man. Kudos and shout out to Phantom Alerts. Give that guy a follow. Give that guy a watch. He is dumb man. Like, that guy is awesome. Phantom Alerts kind of let me know. He's like, dude, Harry Ye is getting it. I was like, who the snap is Harry Ye? Why does this matter? Then I started doing some research on this guy, and I was like, what the snap? This guy's a gigabrain. This guy knows what he's doing. And then I went down the rabbit hole, and then I was like, all right, I'm back in. So I got back in. This was actually when Tomb was like 40 cents, or not 40 cents, but it was like 0.4 Phantom. And now it's literally printer go burr. Tomb Finance is treating me really well. I really like Tomb Finance and the platform and how it works. But let me go ahead and give you a TLDR on the mechanics so you guys don't have to watch that video again. But basically how this works is Tomb is trying to be pegged to one Phantom. However, there are liquidity issues. Uncentralized exchanges like Binance, FTX, KuCoin, just different exchanges, because most of the Phantom tokens are locked in nodes and are staked. If you guys didn't understand or know, Phantom is a proof of stake blockchain. In order to keep those nodes operating, people have to lock up some Phantom. So there is a very, 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 very bad liquidity issue with Phantom. And that's what Tomb Finance is looking to solve. Now, a lot of people are like, wait, why would I need Tomb instead of Phantom? Well, that's why. And Harry Ye, he has a big bag of Phantom. In order for him to actually have some exit liquidity or actually have some liquidity out there, he needs this platform to do well. So now what are his options with this? Well, he's got a couple of options. The first one is making Tomb being above peg. When it's above peg, T-share is literally printer go burr. In order for Tombs to increase, as in like more Tombs to be minted, Tomb has to be above one Phantom. In order to get the Tomb from T-share, you literally go to the masonry, stake your T-share, and at a lovely 494% APR, about a 13 to 14,000% APY, you will be minting some Tomb. Now, with all that factored in, you can actually do the math on this. This is literally at max right now, printing 600,000 or 700,000 Tomb tokens per day, as long as it's above peg. And how you can factor this is the amount of T-shares staked, and then you can multiply it by the APR. And however, this does change from time to time, like all the time, because, well, more T-shares are staked, more are created. But right now, at this rate, it can literally just sit there, printer go burr, and still have plenty of time to go. Because remember, about 70% of the Phantom tokens are staked and locked up. So what is the supply? I think there's like 2.5 billion Phantom supply. 2.5 billion Phantom tokens that are out there in circulation. I don't know exactly what it is. It's on CoinGecko. It's like 2.5 or 2.4. But the point is that about 70% of those are locked up. So if someone wants a Phantom token to use it, and that's not even factoring in like the Phantoms locked in like liquidity pools like Spooky Swap, Spirit Swap, or being lent out. That's not even including those. We're just talking about the staked tokens. Now, if people want to buy some Phantom tokens, how are they going to buy it? They can't. So Tomb is coming into place and helping with that. If you look and see the circulating supply of tombs, there's literally only 58 million tomb. Okay? Let that sink in. There's only 58 million tomb. Okay, and that's not even factoring in the tomb that is locked up. But this guy's building an exchange. So if there's only 58 million tomb, and we're just gonna call it, it's a $2. Okay, so it's about a $170 million market cap, or $160 million market cap. That's kind of small to run a whole exchange on. I mean, Harry Ye, he can be like, 160 million? I got you, bro. Don't worry. Oh, I'm sorry. I fudged it. I accidentally wrote you 1.6 billion. Sorry. And he wouldn't care. Like, that's how loaded this guy is. So the point is this guy wants this to be printer go burp. So actually the goals that Harry Ye has is he wants Tomb to be pegged to 2 Fantom, and he wants T-Share to be pegged to, well, not pegged, but similar to the price of one Wi-Fi token. One Wi-Fi token is like $35,000. So basically a little bit less than a 3x from here. Now I know you guys are looking at this like, what the snap is this T-bond? Like, what is this? Well, basically T-bonds, you can actually get these when it's below peg. So say for example, Tomb is below 1 Fantom. You can then go ahead and purchase some T-bonds. If you go into the pit, this is where you can get the T-bonds. But basically, when you get T-bonds at a really, really low rate, you can actually sell them back for a premium. So say for example, Tomb went below 1 Fantom, and I bought a bunch of them and I got them at a lower price. Well, right now I can exchange my 1 T-bond that I got at a super low price and get 1.7 Fantom for it. So basically you can get more for it. And then you can come back and buy some more Tomb tokens if you want, and you're basically getting 0.35 Fantom for free. This is it's kind of one of those things to hold up the peg. Before they used the Gravekeeper to hold it up even more, but TLDR is red button goes down, green button goes up. So what does that mean? Well, when you take your Tomb tokens, you are actually burning them into bonds. So you're taking them off the market. So quote unquote buying them when no one else is buying them. And when that happens, that means green button go up. So that brings Tomb above peg. So theoretically, this is one of those mechanisms where it has like an algorithm inside of it that keeps it to peg. So if it's below price, these T-bonds will be purchased up to make profit. However, if it's above peg, you can actually go back to the homepage. We'll show you guys a couple things. When it's above peg, people will be wanting to speculate and buy T-share. We can have printer go brrr, and it's a lot of fun. But you can take the T-share and earn a bunch of Tomb. And people can sell the Tomb off into T-share, or you can take that Tomb and sell it into Fantom, whatever you want, or you can literally just come back and auto compound it. I'm talking about a bunch of different strategies on Discord. So if you guys want to join and hear about the different strategies I'm using on Tomb Finance on Discord and how we're playing it, you guys can jump in Discord. It's in the link in the description below. It is the Patreon link. This video is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Just wanted to make a updated video for you guys with Tomb Finance and explain why Harry Ye, mega billionaire, loves this junk. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And let's go ahead and leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 14, verses 27. The fear of the Lord is a fountain of life, turning a person from the snares of death. This is so true, man. I mean, just think about this. All right. So on this earth, sure, you can kill me, shoot me, do whatever you want, but what can you do to my soul? You can't do anything to that, man. The only person who's able to do something with your soul is the Lord. So, hey, shoot me, kill me, do whatever you need to me, but peace out, bro. This ain't my home. You guys can also catch me on tweeters. It's at rent a home fast, like literally at rent a home fast.